Okay. Landon's putting the snake back. We're gonna put him. We'll put him right here, and we'll go watch him go in.
Whoa!
He's good.
Whoa!
See? They move fast, don't they? Go that way, snake. Go that way. There he goes. Into the water. There he goes. Sam? He's mad at us.
Why?
No, because we took him out of the water. He wanted to go catch some fish, and here we are messing with him.
I don't know if I can do that.
He'll eat that bullfrog if we don't find him first. There he goes. There he goes.
Bye-bye.
Okay, we're going bullfrog searching.